friends! Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am going to give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. So I was scrolling on Pinterest trying to find inspiration for today's Motivational Minute when I found this quote. All it said was, "I decided that 2018 is going to be a great year." I really love that. I think that in general, we have a tendency to be really hard on ourselves, but that can get super bad in the first couple of weeks in a new year. New healthy habits are really hard to build. And books are really hard to write. There are bound to be some tough days in the mix. But that doesn't mean that 2018 isn't going to have great days ahead and tons of adventures. Keep working hard, be nice to yourself, and keep writing. And if you have any favorite quotes that have been getting you through this first week in the new year, leave them down in the comments below and I would love to check them out. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out the links down below, including a link to the Facebook page and the Patreon. I will be seeing you back here on the YouTubes next Monday with another Motivational Minute. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye!